To the Bay Area bracing for another atmospheric river. San Francisco residents and businesses can get up to 10 free sandbags from the good folks at the Public Work Operations Yard. It's just south of Potrero Hill between 101 and 280. You have to enter through the Marin Street and Kansas Street gates. We caught up with one woman getting ready, picking up some of those sandbags for her mom. She says they wish they had sandbags in January when the storms really flooded their house.
We're taking out all the precautions we can, doing everything we can, and if it still happens, you know what, it was just meant to do some upgrades if that's the case. But for now, we're making sure we exhaust every avenue we can.
Sounds like a true planner. All right, so you can pick up those sandbags from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. You just need to show them proof of residence. The City of Oakland clearing out storm drains, getting ready. They also want you and business owners to do the very same in your neighborhood. The city says clearing out drains can help prevent that flooding and the accumulation of water. And some road preps happening right now as we speak. Caltrans shutting down a section of Highway 17 in Santa Clara County. They're clearing out fallen trees that were damaged in last month's storms. One southbound lane from Bear Creek to Summit Road will be closed today through Friday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. getting ready. Next Monday through Wednesday, a northbound lane is going to close the very same hours from Summit Road to Blossom Hill Road. We'll reiterate that online as well. So taking a look outside at several of our camera's views. Pretty today, really. You can see the sun, clouds, and it's a good day to get your stuff done. Get out your task list. Let's get over to First Alert meteorologist Darren Peck. Darren, this time tomorrow, not so easy to get out and get the groceries.
Yeah, by about now, we're going to see some of the more noticeable showers move on shore. We could see rain as early as late morning tomorrow, really. But it's the early afternoon when the heavier rain is going to start to pick up. If we look at First Alert Doppler now, we're done with this morning system. We're looking at blue sky. If we put this into the futurecast and play this forward, we stay that way through today. And we'll see a much more impressive slug of moisture come our way for Tuesday. A few light showers are possible in the morning, but then we get into the early afternoon, and that's when we see some of the heavier rain show up. And then we'll pretty much be in that for much of the rest of Thursday afternoon into the evening. We're still seeing kind of a bit of an uptick in rain here going into Friday morning. This is now Friday, 6 a.m., 7, 8, 9. And then by the time we get into Friday afternoon, things will lighten up a bit, only to pick back up again on Saturday. So it's going to be a lot of rain in a short period of time. We'll talk about the flood watch and we'll talk about the wind advisory. Both of them are a factor with this.